The origin of the human race has long been debated. Did life stem from a religious idol? Did humans evolve from primates? One popular theory came from a man named Charles Darwin. Charles Darwin publicized the idea of evolution. The definition of evolution, according to the Merriam-Webster Dictionary, is the process by which changes in plants and animals happen over time. Darwin theorized that evolution occurred because of natural selection. Natural selection is the process whereby organisms better adapted to their environment tend to survive and produce more offspring. Because of his actions, it can be concluded that Charles Darwin sparked a revolution in natural sciences. Now, let's go back to the very beginning. No, not that far. How about February 12, 1809? On this date, in Shrewsbury, UK, Charles Darwin was born. Throughout his childhood, he showed an interest in natural sciences. At a young age, he was a medical intern, which led to him attending Cambridge University. However, he soon strayed from that path, and instead studied evolutionary species on his voyage of the Beagle. Keep in mind, this had nothing to do with actual beagles. It was actually an excursion to South America, where he studied the finches, plants, and insects of the Galapagos. This is where he came up with his theory of natural selection. Charles Darwin showed all the qualities of a leader. Whether it was positive or negative, people around the world felt the influence of Darwin. He spread the word about evolution, which other people feared to do. He stood up to the church by challenging the Bishop of Oxford when his ideas were questioned. He influenced future generations, including Adolf Hitler, Theodore Roosevelt, and David Lloyd George. Hitler praised the theory of natural selection because it gave him an excuse to kill millions of Jews. Darwin influenced Roosevelt to study natural history, and George made his social reforms due to social Darwinist philosophies. Charles Darwin left behind a legacy. His ideas on natural selection were twisted into the idea of social Darwinism. The Europeans used this theory as a reason to enslave Africans when it was really just racism. He also influenced the academic world, getting a University of Natural Sciences named after him. Finally, he left a legacy in the medical realm by discovering ways to trace diseases, which has helped with the research of HIV/AIDS. Most knowledge of natural sciences that we have today was either publicized or theorized by Charles Darwin. In this way, he very clearly innovated natural sciences and started a revolution. In the words of Charles Darwin, it is not the strongest of the species that survives, nor the most intelligent. It is the one that is most adaptable to change.